Welcome. We will talk about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Its advantages. Supports shooting 8K videos. The only phone in the series that supports the S Pen, but unfortunately you will buy it for an additional amount because it does not come with the phone and will be placed in special cases from Samsung. During the pre-booking period, you will take the case with the pen for free. The only phone in the series with 12GB RAM to ensure more applications are opened simultaneously. Very powerful cameras, whether front or back, as they are the most distinguished in 2021. In shooting photos and videos, in addition to zoom lenses with strong real performance. The processor offers a strong performance, whether in daily tasks or playing heavy games, but it still does not outperform the Snapdragon 888 in terms of performance. But the Samsung processor excels in heating and energy saving. Premium and luxurious manufacturing materials and a unique design. The AMOLED screen offers a distinctive experience, as is usual for Samsung in its latest phones. In addition, it has a QHD+ resolution, with support for the highest frequency of 120 Hz, with very high brightness and excellent contrast ratio. It comes with the latest Android 11 operating system with the latest Samsung One UI interface. The external speakers come in stereo sound, providing a very good audio experience. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra defects. You will need some time to get used to holding the phone as it is heavy. The charging head is not included in the phone box and you will need to purchase it separately, and the earphones are not included in the box either. Charging speed has been reduced to only 25 watts instead of 45 in the previous S20 Ultra. And a large protrusion of the rear camera, as usual. If you finish the video until the end, thank you very much. Just like that, the video is finished. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share.